If you quoted anything in industrial automation, you know what this is like. Every quote starts the same way. Hunting for the last one that looked kind of like this one, copy and pasting into a sheet you're afraid to break, chasing vendors for pricing, searching through Outlook just to find the thread, and half a day of formatting a Word document. And maybe you're using AI now, but you still have to add all your structure, the cells, the stations, the notes, the deliverables. What if you quoted the machine the way you're going to build it? I've been in industrial automation for over 20 years, and I had the same pain. I knew there had to be a better way, so we built it. Here's how quoting works now. Here's a simple 4-position dial weld cell, operator load, feeder with pick and place and a press, a weld robot, an offload with a reject chute. And this is where your quote lives now. Everything in the right stages so you can track where everything's at, prioritize your due dates, everything in one dashboard. And now we're going to create a new quote. You've even got component preferences here from your vendors as well as the currency. Because this is a 4-position dial, we're actually going to create 4 stations automatically by adding our dial. So we use a dial as a cell resource, so we can pick from our library of a 4-position dial indexer. We've got 4 positions and we'll name them here. Now we have our cell resource and 4 stations ready to build. So here's our base operator load. We're going to add our base operator load assembly with safety. And you can see inside of this assembly, we've got some light curtains, dump valve, dome indicator, opto touch. We've got some hours for design, and then we go back to our station. We want to add a clamp assembly to this. That clamp assembly has some fittings, a prox sensor, maybe you want a custom cylinder. So now our operator load is complete. Typically, you'd be searching through file folders for something like this. And when you find it, your pricing's out of date, so you're updating everything anyways. So here, it's done for you. Sometimes you've got to add something custom for this, like the clamp. You may want to add custom tooling. Build it right here and the hours, and then save it. And then if it's something you'll quote again, you can push it back to your library. And so it's ready the next time you want to use it. We'll go through the next stations as well. Finishing up this station, and I'm clicking into our outfeed conveyor, and I'm clicking RFQ here because I need a new quote for this item. Now if I go up to my quote, I can click on my RFQs and look at what items are pending RFQs. So now following up with vendors and staying on top of them, digging through your Outlook folder used to be such a pain, trying to find the status of everything. So now we can create RFQs. We can send it right to those people. We can add a note and say, we can save. And that goes directly to your vendor. They get an email, they can upload their quote right there, and it will, or update the actual line items in that form, and it will update your quote automatically. And this doesn't just work for small quotes. It works for multi-cell large quotes like this one. 4 cells, stations in each, install workspace here. We can manage rental cars, flights, per diems. It's all built in. We also have a full schedule builder that you can send your schedule with your quote. It scales the same, 1 cell or 10. It's the same response time. Unlike your spreadsheet, where the more you put in it, the slower it gets. And here's the great part. We can actually generate proposals right from here with all your data, all of your description, and everything built in. This used to take hours. All this detail having to put in here, the images, everything. This now is automated so that most of the stuff can come in here and you can edit what you need. You can format it quickly and send it out to your customer. This is how quoting works now. Drag and drop everything in one place, manage your vendors, cut down the exorbitant cost of it takes to quote. But more importantly, get your quotes out faster than your competitors so you can win more deals and grow your automation business. This is EmberApps. Reach out if you want to learn more.